I'm going to show you how to add an icon to your home page here on your smartphone, your iPhone, or any smartphone that you may have. I invested in this real estate company called Rich Uncle, and they do not have an app for it. So what I wanted to do is create a shortcut here on my home page or my desktop. So the only thing you want to do is go to the website. I'm going to just type in Rich Uncle. And as you can see, the top hit says Rich Uncle's Real Estate Investing for Everyone. I click on that. And once I click on it, only thing you have to do is go down here to the bottom, and you see that square with a arrow pointing up. You hit that. And then you go down here to the bottom and you move over to the right until you see Add to Home Screen. That with the plus sign, you click on it. And I'm going to name it Rich Uncle. And I'm going to hit Add. And as you can see, it have added it here to my home screen as a little small app or icon. So if I want to open it next time, I just click on it and it opens, goes straight to that website. So if I want to delete it, I just put my finger on it, hold it for about 2 seconds until it start wobbling a little bit, and I hit that X, and it asks me, do I want to delete? I hit delete, and it's done.